Google Forms, how to see who responded. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to see and track who all have responded to the Google Forms that you have sent out. So simply, first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Google Forms, and after that just go to the first link that you will see on the top, and over here you will be redirected to the official website of Google Forms, and after that just simply log into your account using your email ID. If you don't have the account in the Google Forms, you can create the account for yourself by clicking on Try Forms for Work, and after that just simply log in with your email address and other details. And once you're logged in into your Google Forms account, just simply open that, and after that in order to see the response that people have made in the Google Forms that you have sent out, just simply click on the one that you have sent to your family and friends, and after that on the Google Form itself you will be able to see these three options at the top menu, like questions, responses and settings. So in order to see the response that people have made in the form, just simply click on the responses section from the middle, and over here you will be able to see the list of the responses that people have made in this particular form that you have sent out. So the Google will also categorize the responses for you in the alphabetically order, and they will also segregate in different terms like questionnaire, the preferences and other options. Right now my Google Forms account is quite brand new, that is why you don't see any Google Form responded as of now on my account. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to see who all have responded to your Google Forms in the Google Form account. So yeah, I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.